This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tyler Landon. Welcome to this beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the desirable Forest Ridge community, where luxury meets comfort in a fantastic location. As you step inside, you're greeted by an open floor plan that seamlessly connects the spacious living areas, creating the perfect space for both family gatherings and entertaining guests. The heart of the home is the fully renovated kitchen, featuring elegant granite countertops, high-end cabinetry, and modern appliances, making it a chef's dream. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen is sure to impress. This home is loaded with impressive upgrades, including a 2019 roof and air conditioner system, as well as new windows installed in 2025. This provides you with peace of mind and energy efficiency for years to come. For those looking to reduce energy costs, this property also features paid-off solar panels, helping to significantly lower electricity bills. Step outside to your private outdoor oasis, where a screened-in lanai offers a comfortable space to enjoy the Florida sunshine while staying protected from the elements. The fully fenced-in backyard provides privacy and security, with lush mango trees adding a tropical touch to your yard. With 3 generously sized bedrooms, 2 modern bathrooms and high-end finishes throughout, this home offers both style and functionality. Located in the Forest Ridge community, this home is under 10 miles from the Orlando International Airport, making travel a breeze, and just 18 miles from the world-famous theme parks, offering you easy access to all the magic Orlando has to offer. Whether you're relaxing in your backyard, cooking in your updated kitchen, or enjoying the energy savings from the solar panels, 14901 Wildwood Lily Court truly has it all. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional home. For more information, review the details.